In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide an account in QuickBooks Online. If you want to clean up your chart of accounts without permanently deleting information, making an account inactive is a simple and useful option. This helps reduce clutter and makes it easier to focus on the accounts you're actually using, while still preserving your historical records in QuickBooks. The process is very quick, and I'll walk you through it clearly. To begin, go to the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online screen and click the gear icon. This is where you'll find several settings and tools related to your company file, including the area we need for managing accounts. From the menu that appears, select Chart of Accounts. This will open the full list of accounts currently in your QuickBooks Online company. Here you can review the accounts you've created, including bank accounts, expense accounts, income accounts, and other categories used to organize your books. Next, find the specific account you want to hide. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct one, especially if you have multiple accounts with similar names. Once you've located it, click the caret icon on that account. This opens a small drop-down menu with actions you can take for that account. From that menu, select Make Inactive. As soon as you do that, QuickBooks will hide the account from your active chart of accounts view. This is the option QuickBooks uses instead of deleting an account in many cases, since it helps protect your accounting history and keeps past transactions connected properly. And that's all. The account is now hidden from your active list. One helpful thing to remember is that making an account inactive does not erase past data. It simply removes the account from your main active view, which is great if you no longer use it but still need to keep your records accurate. If you're organizing your books or removing old accounts that are no longer relevant, this is a clean and safe way to do it. So again, just click the gear icon, open Chart of Accounts, click the caret next to the account you want to hide, and choose Make Inactive. It's a fast way to keep your QuickBooks Online account list more organized and easier to manage.